Welcome! In front of me I have Hammer Watch Plus and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called system settings. Once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the option called reset. Select it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Oh, looks like I didn't tap on it. So let's go back to settings, system settings, reset, and this time make sure that we tapped on it. Okay, this time it should be okay. And once you see the hello on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And to use the watch, you will need to basically pair it with a phone by scanning the QR code or by downloading the app and then using it to pair. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.